Hi, my name is Angela Vilizaracho Sanchez, presentation model Lutef model. Uh, okay, 5 and 6. I will do with my chef. I will basket of my children. 6 and 6, 25. And chef, I love you and give them bites. Um, after me chef the tower. The 6 and 25 and knife king's aim. Then I'm less. I further get this him. I'm going to gym. Night fighting and ten 10 5. After with gym, I have to share grunts and think what. And she start marking lunch for me children. The 10 and 10 5 and 11 20 10 I create apartment and I much luch 11 13 and 12 F I pick on Dutch school and she make this notable she has homework 12 and 1 fighting pin and you do luch 1 fighting and 2 10 5. My son Aris angry my lodge. After we my son lodge in you to work. To I to 10 5 and 4 p.m. I leave it to work to sell clothes and 4 cans snack. 4 and 6 p.m. I go to work after snack and to want to in and work. The 6 and 9 p.m. I cruise my full sheet and I'm going to have get ready for Disney Day. Thank you. Es mi presentación de la rutina diaria. Muchas gracias, pero no es la mía, sino la de mi madre. Muchas gracias.